I am Jean-Marie André. I am the CEO of BeSpoon, a company that has pioneered the use of ultra-wideband for indoor location. In 2017, our technology was selected by TRUMPF to tackle the ultimate challenges of sheet metal production. We then realized that a lot of industries were facing similar challenges, and we banded together to build an interoperable standard. We have designed this little tag to enable any interested party with a simple and affordable embodiment of Omlox.
Hi together, my name is Siegfried Wagner and I'm the Managing Director of the GmbH, a company of the GFT industry sector. At GFT, we are driving the digital transformation of the world's leading companies in the financial and insurance sectors, as well as in the manufacturing industry. Our goal is to provide customers significant added value by using real-time location for the optimization of production processes. We implement solutions fast, using open standards, just like Omlox. Therefore, we can easily combine location technology based on Omlox with location services of our IoT platform Sphinx Open Online.
My name is Tom Schneider. I am Managing Director Research and Development of TRUMPF Machine Tools. As innovation leader in flexible sheet metal production, we would like to support our customers to make their production more efficient. With our solution Track and Trace, we enable our customers with real-time localization to improve their production. As a founding member of the standardization of Omlox, we support the industry to make the difference in indoor localization.
Hello, my name is Matthias Jöst. I'm Managing Director of Heidelberg Mobile. My company is a hardware-independent technology company for indoor location-based services. At Omlox, we are a provider for the RTLS hub, for the Omlox hub, the implementation of the software middle layer that provides the seamless positioning and fencing data for all applications in the cloud or on the edge devices.
Hi, my name is Roland Avar and I'm responsible for product management of localization solution within company SIG. SIG is a global manufacturer of sensors and sensor solutions for industrial applications. SIG identified a lot of possible use cases for Omlox, especially in the area of asset and cross-site tracking. We focus to give customers solution of tracking forklift both in indoor and outdoor environment, giving not just position of forklift and transparency, then as well possibility to integrate other sensors or systems with industrial IoT gateway device coming from SIG.
My name is Klaus Baumgärtner and I'm founder and CEO of the BridgingIT Group. As a business and technology consultancy, BridgingIT accompanies customers from different industries in accomplishing digital transformation. As an Omlox core member, BridgingIT combines the integration of the Omlox platform into the application landscape with an analysis of the customer's actual processes in order to understand and improve the logistic procedures.
Hello, my name is Julian Zell. I'm a business developer at NAISE. NAISE was founded in 2017 and since then our focus is to bring more transparency and flexibility to the factory of the future. We offer a single software to navigate all HEVs, even from different manufacturers, through your company. You can coordinate your HEV fleet, build traffic processes, make logic decisions, and plan routes. NAISE Traffic Control avoids the deadlock with other participants like forklifts and tucker trains and increase the flow and efficiency of your warehouse and production flow.
My name is Antoine Level. I'm co-founder and CEO of Squadrone System. At Squadrone System, we help our industrial customers be more efficient in their daily operation using autonomous robots. We believe in Omlox and we are part of Omlox since the beginning because we believe this is the right strategy to address indoor navigation challenges. We can use drones in indoor environments for industrial inspection, for cycle counting, for security, for transportation, but all those use cases need an infrastructure for indoor localization. We do offer custom designed drones using Omlox infrastructure to address those challenges.
My name is Manfred Hucke. I'm Partnermanager at XETICS. XETICS is a software company that provides a smart factory solution, XETICS Lean. Our aim is to enable small companies to digitize their production. XETICS Lean executes data from the shop floor and transforms them into valuable KPIs. As a result, we can provide full transparency in real time, automated processes, and with this elimination of search times. With Omlox, we can link different localization solutions to our software via one interface. Now we can include additional solutions to our software to provide complete traceability.
Hello, my name is Matthias Faust, responsible for business development at ZIGPOS, a German company for real-time location systems. The Internet of Things connects almost everything, but connectivity only is simply not enough. Regardless of technologies in use, identification, location and tracking data needs to be merged easily. Future RTLS will become interoperable. Therefore, we are committed to Omlox.